Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Ed, the RV trucker, and I have been waiting on this step here for a while. I called this tow company to move the 52 over to the shop. Now I met these guys, they were doing another job close by, and I had him look at the shop, and I still have that truck camper in there, and I told him I could pull that out of there, and he said, oh no, you don't have to, I can get it in there. I'm like, okay. So I said, have at it. So here he is picking her up, and out the yard we go. I was excited to have this step of my deal done. Gets me one step closer to start working on her. I got some key moments here. Going out the lane. These guys did a really good job. So I got a really good shot coming up here that somebody got for me. Coming up the hill. And I thought this was so cool. This is such a good shot. So he has a smaller tow truck. He said, oh, I should have brought the small truck. But when he got over to the shop, he said, no, he said, I needed this truck. He said, that white's pretty heavy. I said, yeah, it's all real metal. So he's going to back it in this driveway. Now this driveway has an S-curve to it, and he just backed right in there. So cool. Very good tow company. No arguing about anything. He knew exactly what I wanted. Now the shop there, or this barn here, if you want to call it a barn, it's not real big, but it's big enough to do what I want to do, but I have to watch my space. So I took a can of white spray paint and I measured out the shop, proportioned what I need on one side, what I need on the other, and how much room I need in the middle, and I painted a white line on the ground, and that told him that I wanted on that line. And I thought, well, I might be asking too much, but he said, oh no, we can do that. So you can see the white line there now, it's coming into play. And we got it in there, but we got to get the front end over. I had to straighten the tires out, or the wheels. Now my next step is to get that truck camper out of there so I can get my cargo trailer in there, which I'm going to use as a mobile workshop. If you've watched my previous videos, I might have talked about that. So here we're trying to finagle the front end over because there's no way to back straight into the barn on this side. There's a tree in the way, so he has to do it at an angle. So I'm telling him if he would pull forward sharp that way and then jack it hard and come back, that we could use that wheel lift there to bring the front end over. It's pretty cool what these guys can do with these wreckers. So he's getting at more of an angle. Then he's going to cut the wheels hard and back up. And we put it back as far as we could without crashing into the back of the barn. We check the back again. Plenty of room. You can walk through back there still. I told him as long as we got it on that line, I could move it forward or backwards myself. So he's going to shove the front end over now, extend that wheel lift out. And we're just checking, make sure I got, before he drops it, to make sure I got enough room to work around it. And it's exactly where I wanted it. I did move it forward a little bit after he left. Just like trucking, you got guys out there that can pull major miracles, like taking 48-foot trailers, 53-foot trailers into New York. It gets tight, and then there's guys that couldn't do it if they had to. Just like wrecker guys, there's wrecker guys that wouldn't go to this much precision. The only thing we did really to the 52 was fold the mirrors in to give a little bit more clearance getting in there between that camper and the other wall and the tree. Just that easy. Thumbs up. He's clear. Now that white line that you see there, I'm going to give you a shot of that. Check this out. Now the back is a little wider than the front, so I set the front over just a hair. But how many guys could do that? Silverback Towing, they serve southern New Mexico, Lordsburg, Deming, and Silver City. Thanks for watching, y'all.